Alright, in this video I'm going to be going over the custom Claude skill I built for lead scraping. It's super simple. It's like the instant data scraper you can add as a Chrome extension on your Google browser. But what this does too, so obviously it finds the leads through Google, so pulls the businesses, everything, but it also enriches and qualifies each lead, like which one you have a better chance of actually acquiring. So with Google too, a lot of times it doesn't have the emails on there. So we'll add the email. It'll also score the lead. And then it'll deliver it to where you can see it on your phone in a Google Sheets. So let's go ahead and get into this, and I'll show y'all exactly how to do this and build this for yourself, or you can just use the skill I already built. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is come to VS Code and go to download it for Windows. You can also use the Claude app. I personally like to use VS Code, or you can use Anti-Gravity. All work fine and all similar. Alright, so once we're in VS Code, we're going to want to come over here to extensions and type in Claude. And make sure we have it installed. You need to make sure you do have a Claude subscription already, at least the $17 or the $100 one. I personally have the $100 one, so make sure you already have that too. I'm not going to go too much into that in this video because I've already made other videos about that, which you can find on my channel. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to this GitHub repo right here. I'll have this linked in my free Skool community. Y'all can join, and I'll have the link to join my free Skool community in the description. So what we're going to do is copy this URL right here, hit copy. Then we're going to go back here, paste it in, and say, I like to speak to, I don't know why I was going to type it. Can you add this as a skill? So boom. Now I would just hit enter, but I already have this as a skill. So I'm going to show you all exactly how to set this skill up or create it. I'm going to show you how to set it up, which is just simply just adding it as a skill. I'm going to show you me actually using the skill. And then I'm also going to show you how to create your own skill if you want to create your own version of this. I would recommend probably just building off what I've already created, but if you wanted to create your own, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So this right here is the script to go recreate this skill. Honestly, I would just say speak to it. Just come over here to the microphone and say, instead of using this whole script, I'll have this not script, but this prompt in my free Skool community along with the GitHub repo all in the same place. But what I do instead, I don't ever like have a preset prompt like this. What I like to do is just talk to it and tell it exactly what I want. So, I mean, it's just easier that way, but whenever you're doing that, you want to make sure you do have it in plan mode. So, I'll just use an example. Can you make me a scraper? I want this to scrape leads from Google, kind of like Scraper, the Chrome extension, but I want it to be more detailed than that and have things that kind of qualify each lead. So this right here is kind of something I would start out with. It's nothing crazy, just kind of saying what I was thinking. You could be more detailed. The more detailed you are, the better it is. And when you have it in plan mode, it'll ask you questions you didn't think of or whatever. So that's why you want to have it in plan mode. You don't want to just have it go into straight building. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously put it in plan mode, put the prompt in, or give it the prompt. So once it goes through, it's going to ask you to, if you want to have this going through Google, you're going to need to just follow all these steps right here, which it's giving you the links to. So you want to go to Console Cloud in Google. It'll look something like this. You'll create a new project. So new project. Now we'll give it a name, Lead Scraper. I'm not going to make this right now, but I'm just showing you how it would look. So once we do that, we just go to the next link and just follow each step. If you don't know something, just ask Claude. So then This will take you probably, if you haven't done it, it may take you a little longer, but this took me like 5 minutes to do. Super simple. Like I said, if you don't know how to do it, ask Claude. But there's also another way that I could have made this where it wouldn't include this right here, this Google API or whatever, which I would recommend doing Google API because I think that's where you're going to get the best leads off of. So that's kind of it for the video. If y'all do want to download this, like I said, I'll have this GitHub repo linked in my free Skool community, and I'll have the link to my free Skool community in the description down below. And if you're a business owner and want to work with me one-on-one or want to custom build or need any type of help, I'll have the link where you can book a call with me in the link in the description down below too. And make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.